Numit mangani Chatthagadaba Bootcamp Ngashidagi Houdokkhre Indian Institute of Information Technology Manipur Nasanduna Swami Vivekananda Auditorium IT Senapati da Pangthokpa Haukiba Camp Adu on Electronics for Unmanned Aerial System Sensors and Communication Haiba Timda Chatthagadabani Camp Houdokpagi Thoramadda Dr. Navat Nat Saria HODCSE IT Manipur Ravin Chatterjee, DIG 26 Sector Assam Rifles, Neeraj Sharma, DY Inspector, Deputy Inspector General Assam Rifles South IGARS, Professor Krishnan Vaskar, Director IT Manipur, Dr. Nagesh CH, HODECE IT Manipur na Saruyaki.
Feed for you, especially in young days, drones are the thing for the country, for the world, as is already seen in various wars and skirmishes around the world. And apart from surveillance, intelligence, recce, to logistics, to kinetic strikes, drones are being used everywhere. And this bootcamp has served as a bridge between what academics can give you and also the practical experience. So good to see so many young people, and your enthusiasm was palpable when we came here.
In the armed forces, is like an end user. We use. But the students are the knowledge, and then the knowledge that has to be imparted to the end user so that the product can improve better. Because as a student, they do not know what exactly the market requires, the end users requires. They have a knowledge, but when they work together, they do things together, I think they learn both. Like the armed forces learn what is the technology, the students know what the end users are required. That's what we always talk about the industry academia partnership.